Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize using AWS WAF with ALB for admin and to authorize using AWS WAF with Application Load Balancer for admin endpoints. Start by logging into your AWS Management Console. Navigate to the WAF and Shield service from the console dashboard. Create a new Web ACL by selecting the Web ACLs option in the sidebar. Click on the Create Web ACL button to start the setup process. Give your Web ACL a name that clearly identifies its purpose. Select the appropriate region for the resources that you will be protecting. Specify whether you want to associate the Web ACL with Amazon CloudFront or an Application Load Balancer. Choose Application Load Balancer to proceed with the authorization for admin endpoints. Next, specify the resource type by selecting ALB from the drop-down menu. Click on Next to move to the rules configuration. Create a new rule group by selecting Add Rules under the Rules section. Choose Add My Own Rules and Rule Groups to create custom rules tailored to your requirements. Define a rule for the admin endpoints, specifying the conditions for IP address filtering or rate limiting. Set the action for this rule, such as allow, block, or count, depending on how you want to manage traffic. Once the rules are configured, scroll down to the Default Actions section. Here, specify the default action that should apply to requests that don't match any rules. Review your rules and settings to ensure everything is as expected. After confirming that your configurations are correct, click on the Create Web ACL button. Once the Web ACL is created, navigate to the Load Balancers section in the EC2 service. Select the specific application load balancer you want to protect with WAF. In the Load Balancer settings, scroll to the Listeners tab. Choose the listener that corresponds to the traffic you want to filter. Edit the listener rules by selecting the View/Edit Rules option. Click on Add Condition and select the Add ACL option. Choose the Web ACL you just created from the drop-down list. Save your changes to apply the Web ACL to your load balancer. To test the setup, try accessing the admin endpoint from different IP addresses. Check the WAF logs to monitor blocked requests and ensure that the correct traffic is allowed. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.